Hello and welcome to In Simple Terms with Satish. Today we are talking about Blinkit-Style quick commerce fulfillment systems, the technology behind 10-minute grocery delivery. If you are in India, you may know this through Blinkit, Zepto, Swiggy Instamart or similar apps. If you are outside India, think of it as the extreme version of on-demand delivery. Not arrives today, but can this basket reach you almost immediately? The interesting part is not only that someone rides fast, the interesting part is that the app makes a promise before the physical world has fully proven it can keep that promise. For engineers, this is not just delivery. It is a low latency distributed system where the database is a physical shelf, the network includes roads and elevators, and the service level objective is measured in minutes. The first idea is edge caching. On the internet, a CDN places popular content closer to users so a video or image loads faster. Quick commerce does something similar but with physical items. Milk, snacks, chargers, ice cream, diapers and medicines are placed inside small nearby stores or dark stores before you order. Demand forecasting decides what should be close to which neighborhood at which time of day. So the first technical lesson is simple. 10-minute delivery starts before the request. The second idea is cache invalidation, but in the real world. In software, stale cache gives you old data. In quick commerce, stale inventory says an item exists when it is actually on the wrong shelf, damaged, expired, already picked, or never scanned properly. That is why inventory truth matters so much. For a normal store, one wrong count is annoying. For a 10-minute promise, one wrong count can collapse the whole order. The third idea is admission control. A good system should not accept every request with the same promise. It should ask, can this exact basket from this exact store to this exact building at this exact moment still hit the SLO? The promise engine checks stock confidence, picker queue, courier supply, distance, traffic, weather, building complexity, and current load. If the system is honest, it may show 8 minutes, 16 minutes, or unavailable. That is not weakness, that is capacity control. Here is a rough time budget. In a 10-minute order, maybe 1 minute goes to payment, confirmation, and assignment. 2 or 3 minutes go to picking and packing. 1 minute goes to handoff. Tower to 6 minutes go to travel. That leaves almost no buffer. One missing item, one locked gate, one slow elevator, or one courier reassignment can destroy the margin. The fourth idea is scheduling. This is not just find the nearest courier. The system decides whether to assign now, wait for a better courier, batch nearby orders, avoid overloading one dark store, or stop accepting 10-minute promises in that zone for a few minutes. The goal is not one successful order. The goal is keeping the local system stable. The fifth idea is observability. Every scan, pick, substitution, courier location update, handoff, delay, cancellation, and delivery confirmation becomes a signal. The original ETA is only a hypothesis. The event stream keeps correcting it. For engineers, the practical pattern is this. Treat Blinkit-style delivery as a local real-time control system. Pre-position inventory like an edge cache. Keep inventory truth fresh. Admit only the promises capacity can support. Schedule pickers and couriers for zone stability, not just one order. Feed every failure back into the next promise decision. The catch is that Blinkit-style 10-minute delivery works best inside a narrow operating zone. It needs dense neighborhoods, nearby inventory, a limited catalog, delivery capacity, and disciplined promise control. It is not the same as saying everything in the world can reach anyone in 10 minutes. The clear takeaway is this. Fast delivery is not fast because the last mile is magic. It is fast because software moved the hard decisions earlier. What to stock, where to place it, when to promise it, what to reserve, and who to assign. In simple terms, a 10-minute delivery app is not just a store on your phone. It is a tiny operating system for a neighborhood. If this helped you understand the topic in simple terms, follow or subscribe to In Simple Terms with Satish. I will see you in the next episode.